Hey there, I'm Justin with Free-Clep-Prep, and we used to have a carefully crafted, professional 6-minute intro video for this, but nobody watched it all the way through. That's cool. It didn't hurt my feelings. So give me 2 minutes. You can spare 2 minutes to learn how this website works. I call this the Extreme Edition. Anyway, when you log in, you'll see the classroom. It's pretty barren right now, but we're going to fix that. Go find the study guide for those college credits you want. I'm going to pick calculus, because even the name scares me, and we don't let these exams push us around. Click on the little graduation cap up there, and it turns this color that my wife hates, but I've been too busy to change. More importantly, we now have a favorite. If you forget to do this, a box will pop up anytime you take a chapter quiz or practice test asking if you want to tag this exam as a favorite. Too many people had no idea this was a thing, so now we're reminding you. Back to the classroom. Now look at all the cool stuff we have. News, other people crushing tests and getting college credit. You can learn all about those in the other intro video. But for the Extreme Edition, let's get into the study material. Study guides are here. Click on the chapter, see the topics. There's a topic for everything we think might be on the test. Some of these exams have over 900 topics. You're probably saying that's a lot of topics to study. I'm saying that was a lot of topics to write and quality check. The good news, if you know the material, you're about as ready for the CLEP or DSST as we can make you. Next up, flashcards. Each chapter has its own set. Pick one, pick them all, randomize them if you like. If you find one that you don't know, click on the link at the bottom for a refresher. Next, our full-length and free practice test. We modeled them just like the real thing, though the difficulty might be a little bit higher. I'd rather you think these prepared you too much than not enough. At the end, you get an explanation page showing what you did right, what you got wrong, and why. Finally, the feedback forum page. See what other test takers say about each exam. As time goes by, this is going to become more and more valuable. That's it, 2 minutes. We have a lot more on the site, like official resources, difficulty lists, blogs, and all that good stuff. But we don't have time for that in the Extreme Edition. Okay, I'm going to go have words with the editor. Good luck on your exam. You could do this.